Exim Guru Mantra. Service provider. Greetings for the day. We're excited to offer our export-import services. Our expertise includes DGFT/ICEGATE licenses, MICE, CES, RODTEP, ROSCTL, license registration at all ports, digital signature services, ready within 1 hour. Air export and import services, your reliable partner for air freight forwarding, customs clearance, door-to-door delivery, export-import documentation, tracking and monitoring, efficient, secure, and timely air cargo solutions. SEA Export and Import Services, your reliable partner for SEA freight forwarding, customs clearance, door-to-door delivery, export-import documentation, tracking and monitoring, efficient, secure, and timely SEA cargo solutions. Road Export and Import Services, your reliable partner for freight forwarding, customs clearance, door-to-door delivery, export-import documentation, tracking and monitoring, efficient, secure, and timely road cargo solutions. Transportation and warehousing solutions. Expert services for land transportation, FTL/LTL, warehousing and storage, inventory management, distribution and logistics, supply chain optimization. 1. Customs clearance, import-export shipments, documentation, compliance, duty calculation, and payment. 2. Customs brokerage, CHA expert guidance on customs regulations. 3. Freight forwarding, air/sea reliable logistics solutions. 4. Export-import documentation, accurate and timely document preparation. 5. Compliance and regulatory affairs, ensuring adherence to international trade laws. 6. Door-to-door delivery, seamless, hassle-free shipping. Import-export solutions. We provide comprehensive services for importers and exporters, covering regulatory compliance, DGFT, customs, GST, IGST, drawback, license, error resolution, ICEGATE, AD, IFSC, PFMS, environmental compliance, EPR, plastic, battery, e-waste, tire, EPR annual compliances, LMPC, NOC from DGFT, MOEF, product compliance, WPC, BIS, CDSCO, SIMS/PIMS/AIMS/CIMS, FSSAI, business registration, GST registration, IEC/DSC, RCMC registration, trademark registration, APIDA registration, trade facilitation, carnet, insurance, advance license, ROSCTL, RODTEP, sale purchase agreements. Our team of experts ensures seamless compliance and facilitation for your import-export business. Thanks. Exim Guru Mantra. +91 881 040 0251. eximgurumantra@gmail.com